Hello, this is a video tour of number 64 Melton Road. The house is a larger than normal size 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Leading to the house there is an enclosed foregarden with a wall to both the front and sides. There is then gate entry into the foregarden where there is a blue brick laid pathway leading to the main entrance door. On the left there is a slate laid foregarden area with hedgerow to front and sides. Leading into the property, you have the door with the window over, and there is a step up into the hallway where there is a ceiling light point, coving, dado rail, radiator and a glitter wallpaper and wood effect flooring. The hallway is wider than most hallways for these terrace properties, and it's something to note. From the hallway there is a door leading through into the first reception room. In the room there is a bay window to the front of the property, a ceiling light point, decorative coving, a picture rail, radiator, original style inset cast iron fireplace sat on a slate hearth. To the left of the chimney breast there is a built-in bookshelving cupboard with meter cupboard below. The second reception room is also accessed from the entrance hall. Before we go through, you'll see that on the left there is access to a good size understair storage cupboard. There is then an archway leading through into the second room. In the left corner there are French doors with the window over, providing access into the garden. There is a ceiling light point with the rose, decorative coving, a picture rail, a radiator. On the chimney breast there is a cast iron fireplace sat on a slate hearth, and on the left of the chimney breast there is a built-in storage cupboard. Similarly to the entrance hall, the floor in here is laid with wood effect flooring, and from this room there is access to the first floor via a door to a staircase. In the corner there is also an opening through into the kitchen. In the kitchen there is a window to the side located above a sink with a mixer tap and a drainer unit over. In the corner this cupboard does conceal the boiler. On the right hand side there is a double oven with an integrated microwave over. On the wall you'll note that there is a radiator. In addition, there is an under-counter space and plumbing for a washing machine. There is also a gas hob with a cooker over. Further integrated appliances do include a dishwasher and also an integrated fridge and freezer. And the flooring in here is laid with tiles. You'll see that there are a range of spotlights in the ceiling as well. The first floor is approached via a staircase from the second reception room, leading up to a landing area where there is a ceiling light point. There is also access into a loft directly above, a radiator, and there are doors to 2 large double bedrooms and the family bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the property. This room is 15 foot wide. There is a window overlooking the road. There is access to an overstair storage cupboard with a clothes rail. There is an inset original style cast iron fireplace sat on a tiled hearth. The flooring in the room is laid with original style wood floorboards. There is also a radiator. Now to the right of the window, you may notice some marks on the wall. This is from a historic leak which has been repaired, and the sellers of the property are in the process of getting the wall redecorated. The paintwork should be all finished by the time viewings do commence on the property. Now, bedroom number 2 is also a good size. In the room there is a good sized window providing views over the rear garden. There is a vertical column style radiator. There is a range of built-in wardrobes with open shelving. Again, the sizes of this room are available on our sales particulars. Lastly, the family bathroom is located at the back of the house. There is a step down into the room, and there is a window to the rear which is obscured, a ceiling light point, radiator, quarry style tiles. There is a bath with a mixer tap over. To the right of the bath is a hand basin encased in a vanity unit with a mixer tap. There is a low level flush WC, and there is also a recently finished shower cubicle with glass sliding doors, rainfall style shower head and an additional shower head over. The rear garden can be accessed from reception room 2 via French doors and also via the gated side passageway. In the garden there is a good sized blue brick laid seating area, and beyond the kitchen there is again a good sized brick built outbuilding. In the outbuilding there are ceiling spotlights, and there is space for tumble dryer and additional storage. This room does provide an idea of scope for a kitchen extension. To the left of the larger outbuilding there is a smaller outbuilding here, again providing a good level of storage. So from the blue brick seating area there is access to a good sized lawn. Either side of the lawn there are a variety of shrubs, and on the left you'll see that there is more of a border. At the rear of the garden there is a step up to a slate laid area where there is space for a shed and additional storage if necessary. You'll note that the garden is particularly a good size, larger than a lot of terraces in the local area. In addition, you'll see that both neighbours either side of the property do have dormer windows which do show scope for a large loft conversion. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.